In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a subdomain on Weebly. This process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes of your time. So let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First, begin by heading over to the Weebly website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in weebly.com in the address bar. Once you're on the website, you'll notice several options at the top of the page. Look for the login button and click it. This will direct you to the login page. Once you're on the login page, you'll have an option to log in with Square. Weebly has integrated with Square, providing seamless access, so go ahead and click on that option. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials, and if not, you might need to set up an account, which should only take a minute or two. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. On your account dashboard, you should see an option called Overview. Click on this to get a broader view of your website's settings and current setup. From there, continue by selecting Website. This option will take you to more detailed settings specifically for your website. Now, within the website settings, look for the Domain option and click on it. Domains are essentially the address of your website on the internet, and today we're focusing on setting this up using a Weebly subdomain. You'll then see an option for Edit. By clicking this, you'll open the domain settings where you can make changes to your website's address. In the domain settings, look for the option labeled Use a Weebly subdomain. Click on this. Subdomains are a great way to create a memorable web address using Weebly's services without having to purchase a separate domain name. They're often free and easy to set up, which is perfect if you're just starting out or want to test the waters. After clicking on Use a Weebly subdomain, you'll be prompted to enter your desired subdomain name. This is where you get creative, but remember, it should reflect your brand or the purpose of your website. Once you've typed in the name, Weebly will check if it's available. If it is, you can go ahead and secure it by following the forthcoming prompts. And that's it, you've successfully set up a subdomain on Weebly. Make sure to preview your site to see how everything looks and acts. Subdomains are an excellent way to get online quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on building great content. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.